Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever geography you are in. Today, we are with the famous Miss Goswami, Miss Madhvi Goswami, Principal, Cambridge School, Srinivas Puri, New Delhi. It's one of the best schools in the country. The foundation stone was laid by Sarvapalli Shri Radhakrishnan ji, our Vice President, and on whose name Teachers' Day is celebrated in our country. Ma'am, welcome. Miss Madhvi is one of the youngest school principal in the country, and her work, her advisories, her support, her advocacy for students' welfare and education is tremendous. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, dear Pranav, and it's humbling that you gave such a nice introduction. I think the past is past. We need to all work together, in the present and strive for the new beginnings. The future is ours to make. So we are working with children, and thank you so much for inviting me here, Pranav.
Ma'am, as this is a very important time for the students who are transitioning from schools to universities and beyond. And they have got a lot of things in their mind, like there's a lot of peer pressure, and it's a very dynamic age also. Students, parents are not sure after 4 years when they graduate, what kind of jobs will be there. I will also like to request you to advise students on course versus college also. Over to you, ma'am. I will also like to request you to advise students on course versus college also. Over to you, ma'am.
As a principal also, as a parent of 2 young children, I've seen it all, experienced it all rather. So, yes, the children have a lot of confusion between the college and the course. I would say there is no right answer to college versus course. It is about the road you are choosing and the vehicle which can take you so far. You need both at times. But I would say if they have not decided what they want to do exactly, then the college is the best thing to opt for. Because college is one where they would get the mentors, there would be a great alumni support, best of the lecturers. So they will guide, and the student will thrive and get shaped into what the student wants to do, because he's still in that stage where he's or she is fluid, still ready to accept whatever comes her or his way. So choosing the branded college, the right college would be the best in that scenario. But if you are decided that this course suits you well, you know what energizes you, you know what drains you, then going for the course would be the best. Why? Because you know that it is going to excite you for the coming 5 years or coming 6 years to go. So then the course would be the best option, and in the other scenario, the college would be the best option. But if you get the both of it, nothing like it. So you are blessed. So I would say go as per your instincts and choose it. Passion with perseverance will take you to places. Thank you, Pranav.